Flying business class is always an incredibly satisfying experience, even if you're a seasoned business traveler. The prospect of having your own bed in the sky is always much more exciting than the thought of sitting upright in economy. Plus, you have the perks of luxury amenity kits, HD entertainment screens, and multi-course meals that rival those found in high-end restaurants. In order to get the most out of your business class experience, we've put together a list of tips and tricks for flying business class on international flights. Number 7. Bid for your seat. Many airlines are now allowing passengers to bid on upgrades. A lot of them even use the same third-party site, called PlusGrade, to take bid offers and rank them. The upgrade site uses a handy little meter to tell you how strong your offer is based on the dollar amount you input. You simply select the monetary amount you're willing to pay, enter your credit card information, and you're only charged if your bid is successful. Among the airlines now using PlusGrade are Aer Lingus, Air New Zealand, American Airlines, Cathay Pacific, Etihad, KLM, LAN, Lufthansa, South African Airways, Virgin Atlantic, and Virgin Australia. They also allow consumers to bid for higher class seats through online auction platforms. But while it is possible to secure a low-cost business class seat through online auctions, you run the risk of someone overbidding you. Among about a dozen others, if you don't mind taking a chance and laying out a little more cash, you can end up upgrading for pennies on the dollar of what that airfare would have cost if you bought it outright. Number 6. Stay loyal and seek status. Yes, airline rewards programs are stingier about giving out free upgrades to members. But if upgrades are available, those with frequent flyer status are given first preference for a better seat over those who travel less often. Gifting miles is one way in which the airlines try, benefiting their loyal frequent flyers. So keep track of the same along with their expiry dates so you can redeem them timely. When you have enough miles, you can buy a cheap business class ticket. When you travel with an airline that's part of your frequent flyer program, you earn points. The amount depends on what type of fare you book. If you're an elite member, you can also use your upgrade certificates to enjoy the complimentary perk on a desirable route. For example, Hawaiian Miles Elite members can take advantage of 2 complimentary business or first-class upgrades. You can also upgrade your seat with miles, though this is typically attached with a copay, which may or may not be lucrative depending on the price of the business class seat. Number 5. Pick times when business class travel is less common. It may seem like a no-brainer, but searching for business class seats around the holidays and at off-peak travel periods is going to yield the best value. Thanksgiving and the winter holidays, when coach cabins are full, carriers are not selling out in premium cabins. The time of day you fly should also factor into your strategy. Saturday evenings, for instance, are less crowded and less popular times for business travelers to fly, as are midday and midweek flights. Be flexible with your dates. If you are looking for airline tickets for specific days, the chances of finding business class tickets at good prices are extremely low. Leave the fields blank, do not fill in any dates, and see what offers you will get. Number 4. Use lesser-known airlines. Choosing the right airline is the key to finding cheap business class flights. In this regard, larger and well-known airlines, known for their business and first class, usually offer much higher ticket prices, and not each of them has the option to upgrade their business class tickets, making it impossible to find cheaper tickets. On the other hand, however, newer airlines are just entering the market. They will undoubtedly be willing to work harder to impress passengers and make them choose them. In this regard, they can offer you much cheaper business and first-class tickets, saving hundreds of dollars per ticket. At the same time, they will try to make you feel as comfortable as possible during your flight, providing you with the perfect service. That is why do not neglect the opportunity to choose a newer and not-so-famous one. It has been proven that they try much harder than the bigger airlines because they are still building a name. Number 3. Connect with travel agencies for the best business class flight deals. Keep a track of the industry's best travel agencies that can help you book cheap business class flights. There are specialized sites for specialized destinations. Keeping a check on such sites can be immensely helpful. Getting in touch with agencies like these is also a piece of cake. Either give them a call or join the live chat, asking for any deals they might be running. Chances are that you'll be served with the best offer. Not just this, the travel agents associated with them will help you with the most creative combinations wherein you'll fly economy for the shorter leg and business class for the longer one. While these combinations are hard to figure out and put into practice, travel agents are equipped with this art and end up doing the same effortlessly. Number 2. Pick affordable travel destinations. Tourism has expanded on a global scale. If you've got the taste for it, almost every country in the world is worth visiting and exploring. While high-profile vacation destinations cost a fortune to travel to, let alone explore, the more low-profile hotspots will give you a great excuse to spend more on the journey and still have enough for the destination. Your origin and destination can be the single most important factor in determining what your airfare is going to be. But just like airlines price tickets differently in different markets, sometimes if you start your travel in a place where airfares are priced more cheaply, you can end up saving thousands of dollars on business and first-class fares. It's a little-known truism in frequent flyer circles, but some of the lowest business and first-class airfares in the world are for flights originating in destinations like Colombo, Mali, and Cape Town, among a few other places. Getting an upgrade to business class on an in-demand route for road warriors, such as New York's John F. Kennedy Airport to Los Angeles International Airport, is difficult. Conversely, securing a business class seat on a flight to Hawaii will be relatively easier, since you won't be competing with business travelers. Number 1. Sign up for newsletters and alerts to fly business class for less. You'll be surprised to hear that most of the travelers have an entirely different ID, wherein they solely get emails from airlines, aviation forums, and travel agencies. They do so to manage and keep a check on what airline is offering what discount or what agency is offering all coupon codes. People like these end up striking the rod when the iron is hot, thereby enjoying cheap business class flights. If not from a separate ID, you must sign up for the newsletters and alerts. Please share your views about this video in the comment section. Hit the notification bell for more interesting videos from around the world. We at Find Travel carry out a lot of research and talk to officials, residents, and travel guides to give you information that is true and accurate, to help you find the best locations in the world where you can settle or visit. We are committed to providing you with the best possible information about pros and cons of different places around the world, so you can make an informed and sensible choice about where to reside or settle. Thanks for watching. Eat, sleep, travel, and stay calm.